for everything I look up, I'll give you my opinions and my thoughts and how I personally feel about it.
Thoughts of a Gemini.
How do we discipline our kids in this era? How do we keep our kids safe in this era? How do we help this generation flourish and be successful in this era? When disciplining your children, whoopings, timeouts, taking away cell phones, electronics, whatever, can put you in jail and them in a group home if somebody tells. Why can't we discipline our children like our parents disciplined us? Like, my question is, where did everything just go wild and crazy at?
Y'all hear my thoughts.
How did everything go crazy? Since when did it become cool for parents to be friends instead of actually being parents? So my question is, how do we successfully teach our kids to be respectful and successful in today's era that we live in today?
That's right. It's been a long time since we did one of these. Right now, I got questions to ask. I actually made a video about this a while back, but I never posted the video. I've always felt this way, and now, especially having a son, I feel more strongly on it. I feel like children are being cheated on the right way they're being raised. Why am I saying that? Teachers, the system, are telling kids, you're not supposed to get whooped. You're not supposed to get grounded. Depend on your technology. If it's taken away, it's bad. But to get in between us disciplining our children, disciplining our youth, I feel like the government has gone overboard. The reason why I say government gone overboard, school systems are set up to train kids for prison systems. School, time to get up, times to go to school, your lunch bell times, time for to get your food, yard time, lockdown time. You're in the class for I don't know how long. You get out to get your food, to the hall, back, or to the yard, back in. I really feel like our system is training kids. Sorry for the lighting. I feel like our system is really training the youth for the jail systems. I really want to talk about this because it's something that's just passionate for me. The court system, or rather for them to discipline our kids by putting our kids in juvenile hall, setting them up to where they can act a fool, act out, so they can lock them. Does it make sense that if my kid steals and I catch him, I should be able to whoop my kid's ass instead of having the court put them into a system to where they have a juvenile record, to where they can control my kid. Probation, something. But does it make sense Does it make sense that the courts will punish us parents for disciplining our child so they won't have to go a route of getting a record because they want your child to get a record? Does that make sense? And you might, no, they don't want my child to get a record. Then why can't you whoop your child's ass? Yes, I said it. Why can't you? Why are they saying it? You are not allowed to. They say in school to let us know if your parents are whooping your butt so we can turn them in to Child Protective Services, to CPS. And so when we turn them into CPS, we can put you in the system that you've been around, what is it, child endangerment. So if something happens and you're acting up, well, you have already the history and the paperwork. You got in the paperwork. You got on file. So now we can send you to juvenile hall or send you to the group home and make you worse and worse and worse. So you can't have a career. So you can't have opportunity. So you can feel like you're living in China, but you're living in the U.S. still. Yeah, I said it. But they want to discipline our kids instead of us. My goal is for my son to treat this world like his playground. For my children to treat this world like a playground. For them to have the opportunity to do what they want, almost when they want and how they want, legally, without getting in trouble. I'm not saying if they get caught, they're in trouble. I'm saying doing it the right way. And there's discipline with that. Because in my opinion, one, what the system has allowed is the system has allowed for the youth to disrespect the elders and not have respect, not care for guidance. I mean, I really feel like the system doesn't care about educational experiences. But I know in the U.S., the land of the free, the land of where dreams can come true. Dreams can only come true if you're going by the system. If you're going against the system, your dream ain't coming true. Or you're fighting every day to keep that dream going. I'd rather experience in him more than 80, 70, 60-hour work week. And it's like, part of that is me being at home, disciplining my child, to raising him, seeing him grow up to be a man, to seeing my kids grow up to be young adults, successful, motivated. Not with the mind frame I can't, but with the mind frame I can. No matter what's in front of me, I can. My dad did it, I can do it. My stepdad did it, I could do it. No excuses. I feel like today, excuses is being taught to everybody. It's being accepted by everybody. Excuses. Feeling a little sick. It's okay. Stay home. You don't have to do that. You ain't feeling too good. Got a little, your food tastes bad. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it. You ain't gotta go run no laps. No, I don't believe in that. Not at all. That's what I'm teaching my kids right now. Just handle your business so we can have fun. Get your business done so we can have fun. Because that's what we want life to be, is fun. It's about to be 2024. By the time y'all see this, it's 2024. Stop with the excuses. Let us discipline. Let us raise our kids correctly. This is to the system. Let us raise our kids correctly. Not you guys, us. Educate our kids right. The system needs to educate our kids right. I got another video coming soon with this. Teach our kids the correct history. Teach our kids the right stuff. But Al-Qibla, teach us the right things. Teach my child the right things. Teach them how to do finances. Teach them how to budget. Teach them about credit, how important credit is. Teach them that. I know God, not no algebra. You're taking discipline away from me. You're taking discipline away from the mother of my child. You're taking discipline away from the grandparents, all us parents. Well, then teach our kids right. Do right by our kids' system. United States Board of Education, California, Contra Costa County, Alameda County, whatever. Teach our kids correctly how to survive, not depend on you. Don't teach our kids about the system of getting locked up. How about do some classes for some traits? Have them learn some traits. Bring back the athletic departments. Let our kids play sports instead of being obese. I want to run the mile today, so can I get a note? No. Get your butt up and go run the mile. I just hope one day that the system does right by our youth. I hope they do right by our youth, keep our kids safe, educate our kids correctly. There's mosquitoes over here. Oh, it's because they're mud. Educate our kids correctly. Actually put our kids in a situation to succeed. Meaning, teach them about finances, how important it is to finance budget. Teach them about interest, teach them about credit, how important credit is. Give them the best opportunities to succeed. Safety, I feel like, is a very important value. Mosquitoes are out here. Shoot. Had gnats where I was at, now it's mosquitoes. Give them the best opportunity to be safe. If the system don't want to do it, let us parents do it. Let it be okay for us to whoop our kids, discipline our kids. I'm not talking about beat our kids. There's a difference between whooping, disciplining, and just plain on beating. Like, beating's wrong. Let's get out the way. Gotta change batteries. Be right back. It's about children's safety, but now it just went about children, period. It's me ranting about children, period. And about our system and about just how screwed up they really are. Maybe it's just here in California. I don't know how it is in other states. I just know how it is out here. It's sad. I pray that change will be on the way. I know I want my kids to have the best opportunity to be successful, to have the best opportunity to have a bright future. I feel like that's something that all us parents want for our children. But will the system allow it? That's the next question. That's the question. Thank you guys for tuning in, for watching the video. Christmas is a few days from now. So I don't know if I'll have this video up and running. If I do, it'll be nice. If I don't, Happy New Year's. Welcome 2024. Hopefully y'all had a great holiday. And definitely looking forward to what we're doing this year in 2024. It's your boy, One True Gemini. Deuces. For everything I look up, I'll give you my opinions and my thoughts and how I personally feel about it.